la innovación para nuestro negocio la entendemos como parte vital de nuestra empresa.
Conference just to outline some of the things that we're doing in the robotics space in addition to supplementing our logistics solutions.
Creo que este es el punto donde hay que estar para hablar de robótica colaborativa en español.
La robótica colaborativa innova y para nosotros era muy normal pues, que estuviéramos dentro del Global Robot Expo, que también es un escaparate de innovación para la robótica.
But this expo has grown from, I think it's third or fourth year now, but I think it's significantly grown from where it has been. And I hope to come back next year, and I'm sure this is going to be bigger and a better platform for all the robotics.
I heard some interesting presentations from the robot side. So, as I mentioned, I'm coming from a telecommunication side, so I'm not the typical customer here. But it was interesting to see all these different applications of robots and all these different vehicles, machines, and this instantiation of robotics. So that was quite enlightful to see, and how much vibrant discussion there is here in Spain.